What's up, y'all? So look, right now, bro, we got that part two. You feel what I'm saying? Introduction. So what is a PIP? Lot size and leverage. Like I said, we just gonna get the boring stuff out the way first, okay? So, what is a PIP? Basically, a PIP is the smallest amount of movement classified within the market. So, me personally, I like to see PIPs as like steps. So, say for every 10 steps, I will receive or lose a certain amount of money, or for every 10 steps, I will receive or lose a certain amount of PIPs. Okay. Now, this is basically my definition of their purpose, and is kind of to help keep track of where price is currently at within the market. Okay. And so down here you're learning about how to count a pip. I'm not too worried about you guys learning this, because within Forex, bro, there's like pip counters. You feel what I'm saying? Also, some pairs don't follow like this number rule. Like some pairs won't have um 5 numbers, like 1 2. I know I did not just count this decimal point. 1 2 3 4 5. Is that 5? Yes, that is 5. I'm tripping. But some pairs won't have like 5 numbers right here. Just ignore this one. Over here, this one doesn't really matter too much. But so basically, since this 3 turned into a 4, it went up 1 pip. If it would have turned into a 2, it would have went down 1 pip. Okay. So say this 8 turns into a 9, um, it would have went up 10 pips. If it would have turned into a 7, it would have went down 10 pips. If this would have turned into a 7, went up to 7, it would have went up 100. If it would have went down to 5, it would have went down 100 pips. Okay. Now right here, pips are going to be over here. I drew a box and an arrow over here. I don't know why I did that. But yeah, this is basically where your pips are going to look like on the chart. Now, as I was talking about with like manipulation, bro, y'all see like this wick right here. Basically this wick indicates the lowest point this candle went to. Okay, so basically, as y'all can see, it went all the way down there and then went up. Why is that? You feel what I'm saying? Like, this wick shows where price went. So basically, the market moved down, inducing sellers, and then it came back up, and is most likely gonna shoot back up to hit some stop losses. So that's kind of like what they like to do. As y'all can see, like all of these wicks everywhere, like it's clearly going up, but it's wicking down like crazy. You feel what I'm saying? That's a part of like the whole manipulation. Like, they want to go up. So yeah, they want to go up, but they just keep wicking down like that, to like shake people out the tree, or hit stop losses and things like that. So next, what are lot sizes? To put it simply, lot sizes are the amount of money you're going to be trading per pip. So lot sizes range from a nano, micro, mini, and standard. I ain't gonna lie, I forgot about that nano, and so I did some research today. I don't know how, but I mean, I ain't really too focused on like trading this. So yeah, these are your lot sizes. Values of each lot size: a nano is 1 cent per pip, a micro is 10 cents per pip, a mini is $1 per pip, and a standard is $10 per pip. So for example, if I'm trading a lot size of 50 cents, then I will be either receiving or losing $5 per pip, because 50 cents is a part of a mini lot. You feel what I'm saying? 10 cents all the way up until 99 cents for the mini lots. And then once it goes up to $1, that's when it's going to be worth $10 plus. So if I'm trading $2, I'm going to be trading for $20, okay, per pip. So yeah, so basically that's how it goes. Okay. um what is leverage? Okay, so bro, leverage is basically a loan your broker gives you in order to trade the forex market. And so due to this, majority of, or if not all of your trades will begin in the negatives, and this is basically due to you paying your broker a certain amount. You feel what I'm saying? For them loaning you money to trade the stock market, or foreign exchange market, whatever. Forex is called the foreign exchange market. But basically, to trade, you would normally need large amounts of money, which I stated last time. And so, since a lot of people just ain't got large amounts of money just laying around somewhere, brokers help fill that void, bruh. So leverage. So say, for example, say you have an account with $1,000 in it, and your leverage is a 1 to 10. You will have a buying power of $10,000 total. This is because, um, basically your account is times by the amount of leverage you have. Okay, so this one symbolizes your account times 10. Okay, so if I have $1,000 inside of it, 1,000 times 10 is 10,000. If I have $100 inside of it, 100 times 10 is 1,000. If I have $50 inside of it, 50 times 10 is too much for me to calculate. You feel what I'm saying? I'm playing, but anyway, is there only like a 1 to 10 leverage? Nah, it ain't. There's like, my broker allows me to have like a 1 to 1,000 leverage. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it's big soldier, here in the flesh. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's typically what my broker allows me to do. I don't recommend a big leverage like that, because I mean, it's up to you, to be honest. If you like want to have a leverage that big, I don't recommend it. However, it's up to you. Everybody trades differently. Just know you could win. Um, you could win a lot of money like that, or you could lose a lot of money like that. Um, yeah. But anyway, yeah, most brokers you're going to see, leverages like this, or up to like at least 500. Okay. Oh, that's all. Well, anyway, yeah, that's it for today.